Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer XRP from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Alright, so first up, open up the Bitget app. Then once you're in here, go ahead over to your assets. And then at the top, you have your spots, futures, and margin accounts. Okay, for example, spot right here, you just go ahead and tap on withdrawal. Tap on it and just select on-chain withdrawal. Okay, select that option and go ahead and find XRP. Use the search bar and find XRP. Tap on XRP. Now in here, it will need a withdrawal address and a tag or memo. Okay, so where do we find that? Gotta go to your Trust Wallet. Now in here, instead of send, tap on fund. Now go ahead and select crypto wallet right here and find, use the search bar, XRP. Okay, now go ahead and select XRP right here and tap on copy, and it says here no tag required. Okay, if it says no tag required, well, don't need a tag. So go back to Bitget, tap and hold to the address section, paste the copied address. And then once that's done, just go ahead and enter the amount of XRP that you would like to transfer to Trust Wallet. For example, the minimum right here is 5. And then once that's done, just go ahead and tap on withdraw. Okay, follow simple prompts, and after that, in no time, you'll have your XRP to Trust Wallet. Okay, that's how easy it is to transfer XRP from Bitget to Trust Wallet. Well, I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.